To track productivity using a task management tool, start by accessing the website in a web browser. Once the website is open, log in with your email and password to access your account. Upon logging in, you'll see various options, including adding tasks, projects, and templates, as well as the ability to add a team and browse templates. Click on your name or email to access your settings, where you'll find options such as Team Activity Log, Sync, and Log Out. Selecting your name will also display your productivity, where you can view daily and weekly goals, review trends, and track your progress. The tool features a karma system, which motivates you to stay accountable by earning points for completing tasks, reaching goals, and using advanced features. You can toggle the karma system on or off, but keeping it on can help you stay motivated and unlock new levels. By utilizing this tool, you can increase your productivity and stay on track with your tasks.